European airspace is becoming more complex every day. The challenge is clear. How can manned and unmanned aircraft operate safely together in the same airspace? ENSURE, a SESAR 3 project led by Indra in collaboration with 18 European partners, addresses this challenge by strengthening the interface between ATM and U-space. It delivers a common architecture, a standardized data model, and advanced operational services to enable seamless and safe drone integration. At Málaga-Costa del Sol Airport, ENSURE solutions were validated in a real operational environment. The live demonstration, led by Indra and Aena in collaboration with Aerocámaras, Sabina Engineering, Unifly, Creda and Ineco, showed how drones and manned aircraft can operate safely, covering all the flight phases in complex airspace. The ENSURE validation achieved TRL7, addressing the complete ATM U-space common interface validation with the integration of ATM CISP USSP platforms and the use of dynamic airspace reconfiguration service with a close coordination between drone operators and ATCOs, ensuring safety and prioritizing airport operations. The ENSURE solutions and procedures are designed for highly complex airspaces, enabling the integration of both single and multiple drone operations. They lay the foundations for the progressive introduction of UAS into everyday operations, supporting interoperability, efficiency and safety across Europe. This major European milestone brought together industry representatives, authorities, SESAR JU members and other key stakeholders, who witnessed live demonstrations and simulations in a multi-use space service provider environment. ENSURE project represents a major step towards a digital, safe and integrated European airspace, where manned and unmanned aviation operate together to shape the future of the digital European sky. We are making history.